What's up YouTube? This is my Honda Xr70 pit bike. It's got the spark arrestor on. I will take that off. This kind of gonna be a short video, but I'm getting a SSR 125 pit bike, much bigger. Flat tires on this, but that's not from the dirt bike. So I'm just gonna idle it for you, and then just give you a quick kind of walk around. Yeah, it's a good bike, 4-stroke, of course. Starts up first kick, all time, cold start. See, touching the pipe, completely cold. First kick. Okay. Still. There it is.